I'm in what company?
Eco Company.
Eco Company. There is a testimonial parade today, so they did have an open house. Ito yung CEO. CEO first class. Snappy. Bakit ano? Dalawa lang sila.
Yes. The first class here are only fees.
Oh. Ano branch of service nila?
The company commander is Army and
Army?
Yeah, they're both Army, sir.
They're both Army.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so nakita mo yung that's how we aligned our clothes and the t-shirts. Okay. And our combat gear. Of course, they are wearing their full dress. What's your name? Bland? Irlanda. Plebe.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you from?
From Fort West Manila, that's from Barangay Toros, Calino, Isabela, sir.
Isabela?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, we're almost done. I think most of the guests are going to the refreshments na. Tingin nga ng isang plebo, room, house. Ay, ito house.
This is for
Second class. Okay. Still snappy. Of course. Shiny shoes. So the plebes are on another barracks?
The plebes are on the barrio, sir.
Ah, they're on the barrio?
Yes, sir. And also the third class, sir, are separated from the first class and the second class, sir.
Oh, so where is the third class?
The third class is in the Florenda Hall, sir.
Loren,
Yes, sir. In this building, sir.
Florendo Hall?
Yes, sir.
Kaya confused na ako. Reyes Hall dati yata yun.
Yes, sir.
Florendo Hall now. And then this one is?
This one is Enrile Hall, sir.
Enrile Hall. Enrile Hall. Snapping. So the yearlings are there on the other side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first class and second class lang dito?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for the... Thank you. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so that's the open house. Waiting for the parade. Eco Eagles. Eco, fight.